Hello everyone, good evening. Hello. How's everyone doing? Hello Kiza. Sorry, medyo inuubo lang. Hello Kiza, welcome to stream. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Kamusta? How have you been? Thank you for liking the live as well. I hope you're doing good tonight. I'm just gonna have a short stream ngayon. Since, in all honesty, medyo inantok na ako ngayon. So I'll just stream for like an hour or so. Tapos, I'll end stream na. Pauwi na lang siguro ako bukas. Depende kung ano mangyayari sa school bukas. Kasi mamaya, kasi mamaya baka sobrang pagod ako bukas. So, yeah. Have to gather this. Hmm. Ah, ano ba? I mean, pwede naman Wii. Para bukas, try ko laruin ko sa school. Excuse me. Since maaga naman ako bukas papasok, I'll leave my house at 6:30, which is usually 6:30 yung gising ko. Kasi pinapasabay ako ng isang kaklase ko sa kanila bukas. I'm not sure why, pero G naman ako. Excuse me. Ay, Shibal, dapat nga pala i-alis. Tatanggalin ko nga pala ito dapat. Palagi ko sa labas, mawawala sa isip ko lang. Bukas na. Sana bukas matandaan ko. Kung hindi, hindi. Ano mo gagawa ko? I keep forgetting eh. Kung hindi na, bubalik sa 100 yung yung energy ko. Hello, Samu. Welcome sa stream. Welcome. Good evening. Hello. Kamusta? How are you? Kuya Zed, first. Yep, you're the first one right now. Hello, Ate Jules. Welcome to stream. Welcome. Kamusta po? Ito, good spot. That's good to hear. Miss Yumi, thank you for liking the live. Thank you. And Samu, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. So, ayun. It's just going to be a short stream tonight kasi inaantok na ako. Kaya, also ginawa ko na yung server. Oh, di ba nandun na ako? Nakasali na ako kanina, di ba? Ano yung need ko i-claim? Tip well. Thank you, Miss Jimmy. Thank you. So, ayun nga. I'm just gonna have a short stream tonight. Basta may kakwento ako. Go lang. Wait, sino online ngayon? If there is someone online. Nope. Kaya ito sila mga nagsi-online. Ang magagawin ko? Ito. Thank you for sharing the live is Asher. Thank you for liking the live is Thank you. And thank you for Wakadur Stream, Zach. Thank you. Thank you tuloy. Wakadur Stream, welcome. Hello, Bisit nagkakaubo na naman ako. Hello ka na, Wakadur Stream, welcome. I hope everyone's doing good tonight. Paano ko ba palitan yung ko? Sasakyan ko, bisit. First, the said. Ito. Ito? Okay. Default. Yun, okay. Pwebes na siya. That was Eddie. Thank you, Akiza. Thank you. Hello there, small character with control. Hello. The whole day, me and my crush are being sweet. Ay, nagkaka-developan sila. Ewan ko ba't bigla ako nagka-ubo recently. Una tonsillitis, tas biglang naging ubo. Hmm, okay. Hmm, okay, there we go. Gawa nga muna ako ng ano, nung furniture. What's this? Ah, hindi. Ano to? Para lang i-submit ko. Ano to? Dalawang ganyan na lang. Hello, Crystal. Wishing you welcome. Okay, okay. Where do I go now? Okay. Yung kay Annie muna. Wait, meron nata akong collect na ganito. Excuse me. Ay, salamat naman at ano na ako ng sedan. Okay. Ay, buang. Drive nga ni. Oh, so ano pala, kaya medyo, actually no. The reason why late ako nag-stream ngayon is yung half day ko dapat kanina, naging whole day. Tas hindi lang portfolio ko yung nasikaso ko din mga portfolio ng ibang kaklase ko. Kaya, kaya super pagod ako ngayon. And as usual, ako yung pambansang pasyente sa amin. Halos lahat ng portfolio nila nagpakita ako. Whether normal ba yung may kainom ako sa Tumblr ko? Yeah. Ako nga din may ako nga din may nga din ako. Minsan may nakikinom din ako sa Tumblr ko eh. Ang kulay kailangan ng blueberry. Kala ko di normal. Why? Ay, kung wala naman mali siya yun eh. So is it safe to drink from other people's tumbler? I mean, in all honesty, depends na lang talaga. It really depends on the other person. Kasi kung malinis naman siya sa, or malinis oral health niya, ganun-ganun. Well, it's fine. But if not, well, alam mo na. Kasi what if may ubot-sipon ako at uminom yung kati? Pag ganyan, wag talaga kung if you're sick, no. Pero kung hindi naman, edi go. So guys, what do you think of my character? Cute ba? May small handbag siya. Ano kung di alam ng ano kung di alam ng kasama ko? What do you mean? What do you mean? Excuse me. Like parang di alam na I'm sick and they drank my tumbler. Ano ba depende kung anong tumbler. Kung yung tumbler yan na yung may inuman talaga na 'di ba parang as in yung may maliit na butas siya tas dun siya uminom. May possible na na maano siya, tawag ito? Matamaan siya. If not, yung yung malaking butas, as in talagang isang lang siya, isang seal screw lang gano'n. may chance pero not as much. Ah, Nasa na tayo? Same tab. Pero as much as possible, dapat ano, mag-ask muna talaga kung pwede ba uminom sa ano, sa tumbler bago uminom talaga. Kasi yun nga, bigla mo malalaman na may ano pala, may sakit pala yung ano, yung tao, di ba? Hindi nakawa ko. Also, may Terraria na ako, kuya. Uy, nice! Actually, if you want, pwede tayo maglaro minsan. Pero from the looks of it, ano eh, hindi ko pa masyado trip mag Terraria ngayon. Oh, basta to. Oh, okay, okay. If that's the case, I think hindi yata tayo makakalaro pag gano'n. Nananapin? Hmm, okay. Asan yung dalawang ginawa ko? Ito. Hello, friend. Still ka naman kasi yun. Ako mo. Oh, wait lang. Present question, sa laptop lang po ba pwede mag-ayos ng server sa DC? No, kahit madali makapag-ayos ng server sa laptop or PC. Pero pwede mo siyang gawin sa ano, sa mobile. Medyo nakakaurot nga lang minsan. Ah, ah, ah. Hello, Matt. Welcome to your photo. Oh, oh, ah. Okay, ito na yung ore. Sakto, kulang, ito ano, nagpas na ng isa. And last one is yung blueberries. Ay, mali. Hmm. Okay, time to go. Hmm. Ako ginawa ko yung ano ko eh, yung tayo to. Ginawa ko yung yung quest ko. Yung server ko sa PC eh. Pero syempre, mas madali mag-ayos eh. Dahil wala pa si files. Most likely, tulog na yun. Wala naman tayo magagawa. Ah, ah. Sell items. Potato. 1,170. Wala ko stress yan. Paano mag-make ng role? Sa may ano siya, sa may server settings, may makita kang role doon. Mga roles, tas plus sign. Wait. Dito pala bahay. It's free. Oh! Oh! Yung bots lang naman yung may possible na bayad eh. Pero marami naman ding libreng bots yun eh. Ano ba maganda dito? Oh, laro tayo Heartopia. Go. Pero minsan lang ako nag-pag online dito eh. Ano ba yun ano mo? Yung parang... Or kunin mo lang yung ID ko. Apara. I'm about to delete accepted. Doing great, whether providing your customer completely residential, I'm still with your happy or even inspired to be more active. Thanks to your efforts, everything's moving in the better direction. I mean, now hosting various events. Just like a minimum to see you. Uh, okay. Send ko, wait. Okay, okay. If di mo siya ma-send dito sa, ano, sa stream, kasi, alam mo naman, alam mo naman si TikTok, i-alam mo na lang sa, ano. Oh. Hmm. Tagot ako bigla nandito si Nex. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Speaking of, naglalaro ngayon si, ano, si Retro ng Terraria. And there he goes. Saan siya nakaano? Ah, ito. Parang gusto ko makilaro kasi may event bukas. Go! Kahit, ano na naman kahit short time lang naman, go. Okay lang naman yun Ano ba gagawin ko? Hmm. Ayan, sige, wait. Add kita. Kaso wala pa akong Heartopia na app at account. Ay, madali lang naman makagawan, actually. Hmm. Search, add. Ayan. Hmm. Hello, Kazumi. Makanushi mo. Welcome. I'ma play it. Goes lang, go lang. Hmm. Great pa, Kuya Zed. Go lang, go lang. Take your time. Hmm. Kababahay ni Devs. Nope, yung kabila po. Ay, taray. Sabi siya kung di na ako call. Go lang, go lang. Bogs. Ay, diba? Nakarma bigla. Wait, stream ba si Nix? Hindi. I don't, yeah, I don't think so. Hmm. Oh, oh. Hmm. Only 3.6 gigabytes. Yeah, ganyan baka, I mean, okay naman din yan. Okay naman din yan para sa cellphone. Yung ano nga yung HSR nga ilang gigabytes yun? 30 gigabytes pa yun. Um, yun. Hmm. Ala na good. Hmm. I still don't get how this thing works. Para goes. So, andito si Akila. Hello, Nervio. Ako sa stream ako. 4 4 minutes left. Just me. Thank you for sharing live the video. Thank you. And thank you for liking the live as well. Kamkamnida. Kamusta, kamusta? Um, okay. Pwede ba pwede ba mobile mag-join sa PC? Yeah! Iisang ano lang yan. Iisang, what do you call this? Iisang server lang naman to eh. Ay, wait. There's something here. Hmm. Let's tip toilet. Oh. Okay. I wanna download buksan mo by... Huh? I wanna download buksan mo by Kuya Will right now. What is that? Ano si Kazumi? Ah, si Kazumi si ano? Akiza. Sorry. Yung sa the AI song right now. Ay, hindi ko alam yun. Basta alam ko sumisikat na AI songs is yung ano eh. Yung kay Tony Fowler. Uh-huh. Yay. Uh, okay, never mind. Paano lang kitang bahay? Kaya lang gumawa ng ganito pag sa ano eh. Pag sa Sims 4. Pero pag ano, pag wala na sa Sims 4, hindi ko na kaya. Wait, ano ba ito? Ano nalabas sa ano? Sa, kasi usually nalabas yung parang tracking dito. Pero po yung inbox ko ng like nutrition sa repost ko. Well, I mean to be fair, ganoon naman din ako minsan. Like marami ako nakikita sa ano ko. Sa, what do you call that? Sa mga repost ko. Ah, president request. Ano ba yun? Halos pareho nata kami ng FYP3 sheet. Parang same lang, parang doon lang sa ano, sa isang IRL, ano, nakaklase ko. Halos parehas kami ng ano, ng FYP, just ko. Wala lumalabas sa kanya, yun din lumalabas sa akin. Tapos kung yung lumalabas sa akin, yun din lumalabas sa kanya. Hello, Soren! Welcome sa stream. Welcome. Kaya kayo. Good evening. I hope you're doing good. Saan ba yun, putik? Ay, bahala na nga. Huwag mo na. Huh. Ba na napagtanungan ko yan? Welcome to my not so humble abode. Nasyongit! 3 hours pa. Ano to? Sister admires humble. Ah, wala. And yes, ang picture namin is kaming dalawa ni Blanc kasi apaka-cute niya. Ano ba susunod? Hobby. Guardian, malapit ka na ma-level 2. Wait nga lang. Inom lang ako. Try ko nga mag-fishing. Dito. Is there any fish ba? Oh, there's. Baka sakaling ma-level up ko lang yung ano. Ay, bumalik ka dito. Come here. Buti nga dito mas madali yung ano, fishing compared sa ano, sa Stardew. Sa Stardew, visit na visit ako doon sa ano, sa fishing doon. Ay. Come here. There we go. Hindi abot. Ito. Back here. Basta ito, wag lang mag red line. Yun. Need ko pa ng dalawang bagong variant. Meron ba dito? Malog things ko. Part na to. Dito kaya sa Forest Island. Di ba nakapunta sa part na to, sa part ng island na to? Ooh! Siyang camping area. Kazuel, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good evening. Kamusta? I hope you're doing good. Kapit! Come on. Yun. Wala, napunta na sa ilalim ng sun. Sardines. Or sardine pala, sorry. Okay, lumapit ka dito. Come on, fishy. Lapit na. Yun. Oh, isama na dyan ka pa ba? Yun. Ooh, common prawn. Nice. My first 2-star fish ata. And kaya ka na din mag-level up ng... What do you call that? Ng fishing skill. Special furniture. Wala naman. So, wala din. Not fully pumped. Resource 1 every 10 seconds for 300 seconds. Saan yun? Hobby. Level up. Bird watching, instant caching, cat, and Kazume, thank you for liking the live. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you for sharing the live. Thank you very much appreciated. Kamusta? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Where is fish? Give me a fish. Dude. Come on. Yun, new records hardly. Ano po ba mag-increase ng ng level ng ano dito? No energy. Yun may ano. Alam mo pag lumalis ka dito, continue pa rin yung generate ng ano, ng energy. Hindi pala. Okay, come here. Hello, Hilman Makunoshima ko. How's your evening? How's going so far? It's doing good. I'm just currently leveling up in Adobe right now. How about you? How are you? Ah, shit. How are you? Come on, fishy. Come here. Good. Nice. Wait, what was that? Oh, okay. Die. Why is it always dies that I always see as a gift? Or not exactly gift, like the floaty thing. I don't know what it's called. So adorable, your overlay is cute. Thank you so much. Thank you. It the overlay I made it with a friend of mine. Well, more specifically, I'm a moderator. Is it made by artist or by self? The overlay I made with a moderator. My current model is a chibi model, a chibi VTuber model that my friend gave me. That my friend gave me. And the what do you call this? And my model is based out of the PNG, my first PNG, which I custom made. Well, not custom made. I got it commissioned based on my IRL looks. Oh, come on, fishy. There we go. Ah, putang ina. Wrong timing. Oh, come back. Ah, that was wrong timing on my part. Any more fishies? No? Oh, here we go. I don't know why I just had the sudden urge to fish. Oh, that's nice. Yes. Well, that's Hiroshima Hoko. Although I rarely use my original PNG now. Apart from a few times. Like a few times. The whether like if like for example if the game is too slow with a live 2D model like this, I just change to a different one. To my PNG what I mean. I like your vibe. Thank you. Although I am I do have a bit of a cough right now, so I'm sorry about that. And there are times that I do swear just as a like it's just instinct for me to swear if like something goes bad or something. And of course I stutter like a lot. But it's a well for me it's okay. I don't know if it's okay for others though. It's not some I try to control it though, but sometimes it's just happens. Why is it so far? You know what? Maybe it'll come closer. Hopefully it does. Come on. There we go. Come here. Oh gosh. Oh, there we go. That was a bit difficult. Because I'm an artist as well, but I haven't had the chance to work on this type of task before. Ooh. Are you looking for people to commission you? Also, what kind of artist do you like? What kind of artist are you? Like, what art do you usually do? If you don't mind me asking. There you go. Anything else? There you go. There's a lot of fishes in this area, no? Some of which are like very difficult to get. Like this. There you go. Let me show you that. What kind of art artist I am. Okay, okay. Do you have like a Discord or something? Because you can send it to me through Discord if you want to. The Discord code is the one on top of my chat box. Oh my gosh, that was a mistake. Sorry. Yet another wrong time on my part. Oh, okay. Fish 10 times. Collect 10 different types of fish in their collection. Okay, I just need one more. Oh, there we go. Just why does this feel like it's a bit larger? Oh, I feel like it is. Oh, it is a bit bigger. Oh, yep. It's definitely a different fish. There we go. A skipjack tuna. I do all kind of arts for YouTuber Twitch. Some kind animator, static 2D or 2D. Ooh. Although I am interested on like doing like commissioning art for myself, I'm not in a good financial situation recently. Add me on Instagram so we can talk there more. Maybe I will see. Although I might not be able to commission you for now, since currently I still don't have work. But maybe in the future I can do it. Hmm. Since I am open on doing commissions. I am open for commission. I'm open to commissioning someone in the future when I do get the money. Like I mean when I do get a job. Although I still have to make an account like specifically as a VTuber and not like my personal IG account. So how do you get energy back? I feel like this will be my last fish before I go back. I spent like 20 minutes or not exactly 20 minutes, like 10 to 20 minutes just fishing. There we go. Shoot me off. Okay, okay. You know what? Oh wait, no, my phone is charging right now. I'll put that in my notes and my notes here on my PC, and I'll add you once I make the account later. Because I don't want to use my personal account for any YouTubing purposes. Since of course that includes my IRL. How far is my house? Oh my gosh, it's so far. Okay then. Wait, I'll visit next week real quick. Just so I can ask him about the energy thing. Like how I can recover it. I think I can go to a shortcut to town, maybe? Okay, maybe I can. I already wrote it down on my notes. Yeah, wait, I already did. I'll try to make an IG account later. Like after stream, since my phone is currently charging right now. Okay. So you save ako ako. Um, where is next? Is oh, he's doing something. Never mind. But if you don't have insert or so, I mean, I can. Don't worry. I mean, I was already planning on making an IG for my VTuber account, so no worries about that. Give me your name. Sure. Wait. Where is it? Oh, it's just my name, but with there we go. Um, did okay. There we go. That's my name there. Is that? Oh wait, no. Okay, that's over there. Who's on? Apart from them, who's online pa? Collection friendship journey. Shion was online an hour ago. Okay. Never mind. Wait, I can go visit Albert Jr., which is down south. Oh, you know what? I'll skip through town na lang. Oh, sorry about my voice. I don't know why I just suddenly got my cough back. But, well, here it is. Okay, let me just let's see how much I can like make out of the fishes that I got. Hopefully it's a decent amount. If not, well, geez. Well, but Junior, I got lots of fishes for you. That is not a lot. Oh my gosh. I expected more than that, but okay. Life log. Okay. And this as well. Um, so just send a message on Discord. Check you have got a request from the name of Isabel. Okay. Yep, there you go. Accept. Yep, I accepted you now. Okay, there we go. Um, skip Jack, and I think that's it. Yeah. Do I have anything to do yet? Oh, that's your ano? That's your code. Ano, isa mo? Okay. Wait, let me add you real quick. Ito pa. I can just add you here. Ito ba yan? I don't know how to add. Don't worry, sorry, how mag-add. Ayan. Need pa maglaro. Actually, maano mo siya sa ano? Sa tab mo. Okay, that's a cool house. I'll just grind it. I mean, you can if you want to. No rush naman, don't worry. Don't worry, no worries, I mean. Don't worry, some putix. What if, ay wait, kaya mo, I think you can join my world naman ata eh. Well, not my world, like, you can join the same world as I am. Sa tab, tas friendship journal. Wait, na-accept mo na ba yun ako? Yung, tawag ito? Have you accepted my, what do you call that? my request. I think you can find it in your mailbox. Uh, try looking at your mailbox, then different requests. Hopefully, you can find me there. Five energy. Five energy. Not that. Draw. Eat. Just tell me if you already, if you already found it. Oh, I have two more fish pa pala dito. There we go. Okay, time to go back to... Where's Albert Jr.? Oh, he's here. Okay, yeah, I'm going the right way. Have you accepted my friend request na? There he is. Sell items. Sell this too, and... Where are the weeds? Oh, I can sell the weeds? Aw, I thought I can sell the weeds. Never mind. Sorry about that. Okay. After this, I might just after this, I might just go ahead and sleep. Na. Um, did you see the friend request na, no? Samu? Or not yet? Take a look on your Discord and send it. Okay, okay, wait. Oh, there we go. Samu is here. Basta, ayan, lumabas yung, yung friendship journal sa'yo. If it did, yan, click mo yung friendship journal, tapos hanapin mo yung pangalan ko, tapos yung visit. There's like one more, ano dito, one more slot, I think. Yeah, there's, is it? Is there one more slot ba? Yeah, you know what, just try it na lang. And hopefully it does work. There's a Jesus here. Hmm. Um, wait lang. I'll just answer this one real quick. Ooh, nice. Hmm. Okay. Wait. What just notified? Hello, Alex. Others you. Welcome. Jeez, my Christ. I hate having coughs. Wait. Where? Not the passenger seat. Vanya's over at the... Oh, Isamu's here na. Oh, wait. Let me visit Isamu first. Before I go visit Vanya. Nabu? Wait. Uh, sound right now. Mm, mm, wait lang. Sabu, ano yun mo yung anak mo? Ayun. Ah, ah, ay, ayun. Ah, ay, wait. Wala, biglang nag-resonate ko kaya yan. Ah, that's why it goes. Ah, wait. Ah, wow. Hmm. Punta muna ako sa bahay ni kasama left. Ah, nananabi? Okay, there we go. Ah, ayun ba ba? Wait. Ah, ah, ah. What do you mean by sparkles? Ah, yung nasa taas ng head niya kanina. Wow, magkapit-bahay na sila. Ah, wait, stop tracking. Ano si Akiza? Ay, nasa baba na. Ah, I shall go muna sa ano. Ah, punta ako kay Vanya. Hihihihi. Ah, asan ba yung si Vanya? Ano pa dito yun eh? Ayun. Track. Ah, I shall go visit one of my husbands. Excuse me. Yet I ran out of water. Ah, never mind. I'll just suffer in silence. Hmm. Okay. I'll end stream in a bit by then, since it's already about to be an hour. Ah, I'll just keep getting this. Ay, mali. Ay. Ah, well, I'm just down the beach naman, so baka sumunod lang siya. Vanya! Okay, there he is. Two common lakes are agreed to meet head-on at the suburban lake. Later, they both had big bumps on their head. Fishing bait. Well, heard you're making amazing progress. Have you tried those tricks I shared? Apples make excellent bait. Proper fishing bait dramatically improves the catch rate. Find fish water areas, toss bait along the shore, and fish will swarm instantly. You still can't hook anything, maybe cavefish should do better. Answer the bait recipe I gave you. Wanna craft some right now? Leave it to me. Gossip. There's a about lots of new fish tanks, but can't just leave them what to do. Then you're here. I'm also your finishing mentor. I need to assess your recent progress. No cash on fish money. You've gotta be showstopper fish. 2-star fish at minimum. Nothing less will do. Leave it to me. Going home muna. Kay... On. I have to do fishing quests. Good. Bait? Where's the bait? What's fertilizer? Not that. Ito. Mali yung nano. Putex. Oh, it's a new ano. It's a new fish. Laki ng ano. Hmm. Ito. It's a 1-star sardine. I need more. Let me get this. Come here. Wait lang isa mo. Wait lang. Nakita mo nagpipishing ako. Ba't puro 1-star na kukuha ko? Come on. Come closer. Lapit! Ayaw lumapit eh. Ayan. Mas mahirap na. Ayun. It's still a 1-star. Why? Come here. Pahirapan naman sa pagkuha nito. Come here. Ay na. Para bang aso. Come on, come closer. Come on. Yun. Yes, lumapit ka na. Gusto na matulog. Ay, naig ko. Ano naman lumapit ka na. Ayun na, yun. Yes. Pahirapan pa ako mag-ano nito. Mag-pull. I miss John JK Wakashima. Yun, 2 stars at last. I need you. Not I need you. Any fishies? Nope. Ay, dito pa rin si isama sa akin. Or baka nag-quit siya, like, taking home. Either way, tulog na siya. Yun. Of course, of course, it's a sardine. Can it not be like 2 stars? Please. Come on, fishy. Yun. 1 star lang po. Ay, 3 stars. Nice. For once. I think that's the first 3 stars that I got. I think. If I remember correctly. There's nothing here but dry. Huh. Wait a minute. Please, come on. That's a new entry, but it's a 1 star. Okay. I'm getting more like what do you call that? Getting more efficient. XP I mean. This be a 2 star. At least as 2 star I mean. Oh, it's just a 1 star. It's just a 1 star. I keep almost saying like 1 each because of a like a video that I watched that way. Thank you for lucky live, John JK. Thank you. And just a shade, Wakanurshima, welcome. How are you, Wakanurshima? Thank you for sharing the live. Thank you for liking the live. So thank you very much. Appreciate it. How are you? How's your evening? I said I would end stream like in when I hit the 1 hour mark, but like I'm just finishing up this quest for Vanya before I end stream. Just because. Always almost done. Okay, this next is already okay, next is already back. Huh. Hello, Vanya. So did you catch any 2 star fish? I did. I said well done. Conversation about this episode. Impressive. This fish, premium fish tank and water. Ooh, nice. I don't have to buy it from the collector. Excuse me. I catch 20 sea fish and obtain 3 collectibles with 3 star or above. Nice. Should I do a pro or nah? I kind of want to be honest. Um, do I feel like I want to get this, but um, also at the same time I also want to get this as well. This looks cute, but like doesn't fit me. You know what? I'll just get the purple one. I'll just try to get the purple one. Wait. Um, what do you think I should get? The purple one or the rarity one or the purple dash one? Hmm. Wait, what's the probability? So I have an 18% chance of getting this one. But I'll just get the blue one. Confirm. Aw, 20. Please make me get the. Nah, come on. I think I only have like two more pulls left. Yeah, come on. I just need one more. I just need this. Come on. What's the probability again? There's like okay. There's like 1 in 3 chances. Okay. Please, for fuck's sake. Fuck. Fuck. Why? Tab. Is it hard to get the ano? Is it hard to get the whatchamacallit? Uh I have this one. Not that one. The ano? My brain is not working again. Where is it? Not more purchase one to claim 6. Oh, like this thing. Yeah, this one. The exhibition pass. I can get them in the Acorn store. Ah, how about the I want to get this, but it looks like I still don't get. I mean, like, kind of get the wishing thing, but at the same time, no. Like, how do I get the things for the gacha? Hmm. I have 40K. I might buy something from the not tax collector, from the collector before I go out. Because I might be interested in getting something from it. Let me just check again. Hmm. Oh wait, maybe I can sell something to Albert Jr. first before I go to the collector. Just like that. Hmm. Even in here, I have very, very fresh luck. Speaking of, wait, oh, I already. I suddenly think if I already did my daily HSR and I remembered I did. Let me just get this fish real quick. I have to go all the way here. Okay. I got this two fish muna. I keep getting distracted. Please. Okay, there we go. Come on, get the fish. Okay, not the fish. Get to the fishing rod. Crucian. Oh, Crucian. Yes, and then there's two more here. Huh. Come on, fishy fish. I wanna go sleep now. There we go. Common sub. Where's the last one? Okay, there we go. Ah, where did it go? Did it just disappear? Wait, no, it's still here. What if I do this? Like, I create a bit of distance. Is that a player or an? I think that's not a player. It's acting like an NPC. Come on. I wanna go sleep now. Jesus Christ, come on in. Come in, come on. And of course it went like the opposite direction. Here. Oh my gosh. Just come closer, please. I don't know why it just suddenly disappeared earlier when I put the fishing thingamajig near him. Or near it, I mean. Come on. Come on. There we go. It's not like it's a rare. It's not like it's a rare fish. It's just a common shell. Hello, Lucas. Welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Thank you for the heart meeting. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Currently, just I'm just doing some last bit of things before I end stream. Albert Jr., I want to sell fish. Hopefully you sell them at a good price, please. Not even reaching 1,000. Okay. I see how you play. I am tired. I wanna sleep. I'll just visit the collector because I just know for a fact that I will not be able to sleep. Not sleep. To wake up. No wait, I will try to wake up earlier, but not to the point that I can play later. Hi, hello Lola Z. Hello. Talagang sinaktuan mo kung kailan malapit na ako mag-end ng stream. Thank you though, I'm well. Thank you. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. I hope your night's going well. I'm sleepy. Like, very sleepy now. Um, should I buy this one? You know what? Why not? I'll buy this as well. Ah, no, 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 not that one. This one. I'll buy this as well. And I'm not. I don't know if I'm gonna get a cat here, but what? Let me just get it as well. And this as well. Good night to you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I need to buy here for now. Well, not for now. Like that's the only thing that I'm gonna buy because it's going to be finished tomorrow. Um, anything left? I don't think so. Yep. I think that's the last of it tonight. Yeah, that's the last of it tonight. Okay, guys, I'll be going now. I'll don't know what I will be streaming tomorrow, nor am I sure if I will be streaming tomorrow. I can't promise kasi it depends kung anong gagawin ko bukas. Not only at school, but after school as well. So, yeah. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who followed, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much for all of your support, guys. Excuse me. I hope all of you have a good night, a good evening, a good night's sleep, and a great day tomorrow. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Bye bye.